Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In this video, I'll be sharing the plants that I'm growing using my hydroponic systems. I'll also be doing a harvest as well. I decided to enter the Winter Indoor Gardening Challenge hosted by GT Junior Grows in Alaska and Mike's Chaotic Gardening. This is my first time growing indoors hydroponically. Growing hydroponically was never something that I thought that I would get into, but I am loving it. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using a nutrient-rich water solution to feed your plants. Seeds are placed into the hydroponic system, and once the seed germinates, it begins to grow roots. Those roots are immersed into a water solution containing essential nutrients. It continues to grow, and here are the results. Beautiful, green, nutrient-rich food that you grew all by yourself. Now, what I absolutely love about growing hydroponically, as opposed to growing outdoors, which I do love, is these systems offer advantages like increased yields, faster growth rates, reduced water usage, love that, and the ability to grow crops indoors during the winter. Those winter months can be cold, dark, and gruesome. Some of us may experience winter depression, which is a very real thing, so having something growing inside definitely helps the mental. I wanted to share this journey for those who may be interested in growing indoors hydroponically, as well as those who, like me, never imagined doing anything like this before. For those of you who are new to my channel, growing food is not something that's new to me. I am an outdoor gardener. I grow in a little small corner space out in my suburban backyard garden. I grow in ground. I grow in grow bags. I grow in raised metal beds. So again, growing food itself is not new to me. However, growing indoors hydroponically is a different thing for me. Harvesting too early or too late can impact the flavor, texture, and overall quality of the vegetables. Also, how much the plant can actually produce. So harvesting at the right time is very important. After harvesting the basil, I moved on to the dill. The aroma was amazing. The Chinese celery grew so fast. These leaves are humongous, not so young and tender, how I usually would like them. Now I know Chinese celery grows really fast hydroponically, so I'll definitely do better with harvesting a little sooner. Now the differences between Chinese celery and regular celery are Chinese celery has a thinner, hollow stem versus regular celery has a thicker, solid stem. Chinese celery has a strong flavor. Regular celery has a milder flavor. basil, dill, Chinese celery. Harvest the outer leaves so that the center leaves continue to grow. Stop it. Look how long these roots are. Wow. Look at what I was able to grow indoors. This is quite a bit of food here. We have basil, also butter crunch lettuce, dill, Swiss chard, tatsoi, scarlet kale, also dwarf Siberian kale, and that beautiful Chinese celery. An incredible amount of food. And look at this beautiful thyme. I decided not to harvest this today. I'm growing chamomile, which is promoted for common colds, anxiety, as well as insomnia. And this wonderful leisure pepper. Get ready for a sweet, delicious treat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.